Okay, this is the Back Bay station. Back Bay. Back Bay station. This is one of the major stations here. Let's go in, we'll talk about how to use it, what's available. You got a donkey. Alright, so you've got different things going on here. You can do the commuter rail, you could use ACELA, Amtrak. You could also use the Orange Line, you could catch buses as well. Over on this side is where you'll find the ability to get commuter rail tickets, Amtrak, ACELA. ACELA will stop there. There's one stop inside Boston, aside from South Station. That's this station, Back Bay. Here's where some of the tracks are for commuter rail and some bathrooms. Amtrak as well uses track 1, as you can see right there. These machines, you can zap your Charlie card, get more money on it. It's got an informational display right here. We'll get to the Orange Line in a second. We have these other tracks on this side as well. Just keep that in mind. Track 5 and 7. Alright, so let's take a look at the Orange Line. Orange Line is very, very influential and important. It covers a lot of stuff. You can see right here, we're at Back Bay. Depending on which way you go, the signage, you're going to look for Forest Hills or Oak Grove. That's telling you directionally which one you want to get on. So, example, you're in Back Bay. Let's say you want to go to North Station, which is up here. From here to here. So you want to go on Oak Grove. That's your answer. As you can see, this is the platform to the right, Oak Grove, which is essentially north. To the left, Forest Hills. We're going to head back down towards Roxbury JP and ultimately Forest Hills. So there you have it, full tour of all the capabilities of Back Bay.